Good evening, Namo Ami Tuofo. Tonight, Jingchen's sharing title is The Meaning of Nature from a Pure Perspective by Master Huijing. What is nature? Nature is an inherent quality that arises effortlessly without force or contrivance. There are three distinct manifestations of nature operating in the universe. First, the karmic nature. Even without conscious effort, sentient beings are guided by the weight of their karma. At the moment of death, one's most significant karma determines the course of rebirth. For example, if a person commits murder or performs a great act of kindness during their life, their predominant karma, whether good or bad, will direct their next existence. A murderer might descend into hell, while someone with good karma could ascend to heaven or be reborn as a human to enjoy blessings. This is the natural law by which karma operates. Second, the nature of the laws and processes of the universe. The universe operates according to intrinsic laws and natural processes that require no external intervention. Phenomena such as the rising and setting of the sun and the changing of the seasons, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, unfold in perfect order. These processes demonstrate that the universe order is maintained by its own inherent mechanisms. Third, the nature of Amitabha's vows. This form of nature is embodied in the power of Amitabha's vows. According to the 18th vow, if sentient beings recite my name, they will surely be reborn in my Pure Land. It further states that even if one only recites my name 10 times and is not reborn there, I shall not attain perfect enlightenment. Now that Amitabha Buddha has attained enlightenment, it follows effortlessly and naturally that those who recite his name will be reborn in his Pure Land. This is the inherent power of the 18th vow. This article is translated by the Pure Land team, translation team, and edited by householder 14. Thank you all very much. Namo Ami Tuofo.